This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard fruit salad. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and melon. Wash and gently dry them, then chop larger fruits into bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll prepare the rich, creamy custard that forms the heart of this delicious dessert. This simple preparation ensures a perfect base for your fruit medley. To make the custard, whisk 2 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of milk until it's just simmering. Slowly temper the warm milk into the egg mixture, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens. Chill completely before use. Now it's time to bring everything together. Ensure your chilled custard is smooth and ready. Take your prepared fruits, about 3 to 4 cups in total, and place them in a large mixing bowl. Gently pour the cooled custard over the fruit. Using a spatula, carefully fold the custard into the fruit, ensuring every piece is lightly coated. Avoid overmixing to keep the fruit intact. For the best flavor, chill your custard fruit salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can garnish it with fresh mint leaves, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or a dash of cinnamon for an extra touch. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a refreshing and creamy treat. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.